Midland University is a brand new state-of-the-art training center.
Classes will teach you effective ways to install, take down, and work on garage doors.
And we're going to do that not only in the classroom, but more importantly, hands-on in our training center. One of the things about this industry is it is hands-on. And so for us, investing in a state-of-the-art training center where we've got all the space, all the materials, all the parts, all the tools, so that our students can truly learn how to do things.
I talk to dealers all the time. And one of the things that I ask them is, how can Midland Garage Door bring you value? And one of the things they talk about specific to technicians is we can't find enough people. We don't know how to train them fast enough. I ask them, well, if you had training for a new technician, would that help? Absolutely. Every time, absolutely. And that's real. Those are challenges that I'm sure most dealers out there can relate to.
Some skills that you'll learn in our residential 101 class: how to take down a door, how to recognize all the different parts, how to utilize your tools, how to install a door properly, how to get the tracks lined up, how to get that torsion spring wound the right amount. Those are all kinds of the basics you'll learn in 101.
Why stop at Technician 101 training? Maybe we do more training for technicians as they get more advanced. Maybe we do marketing, maybe we do best practices for running your business. Those are all things that came from just that question, how can Midland bring more value to your business? Training was a big part of it, and that's really the goal of what Midland University is trying to accomplish.
One of the big things that folks are going to walk away with is learning about Midland, learning about our garage doors, learning about the process that we use to build the doors. The more our installers know about the product they're installing, the more value they can add to the customer.
At the end of the day, I know that our dealers are going to improve and grow and get better because of what they learned at Midland University.
You'll be a better installer and technician leaving here than you were when you came.